For changing SB-50 connector you need a screwdriver. Try to push the internal clips under the pins to get the pins out of the lock. After easily getting the pins out of the connector you can analyze the pins are safe or not. Now we will go ahead with analyzing the connector's defect, especially melting. As you can see, the pins have come out of the connector and we can see positive and negative pins of the wires that will be used for a non-can charger. The red wire is the positive and the black wire is the negative terminals of the wire. Now we can proceed ahead with cutting off the old pins separated from the wire, which are old or might be rusted. At the final steps we will chisel the wires, showing out the strands of the wire. After the chiseling of wires we will twist the strands so that it will allow the current flow better. Take new pins and place them on the above of the terminals. With the help of a crimping tool you can crimp the pins on the wire terminals. This will fix the pins within the place. Or you can also try filling the solder within the terminals as per your convenience. After tightly crimping the pins you can see the impression of the crimping tool on the pins. This flattened surface will hold the pins to its place. After the pins are fixed you can insert the pins into the connector, allowing a click voice which comes when the pins are fixed inside the internal clips of the connector. Your new SB-50 connector is now ready to use.